Morning, everyone. I hope you have a profitable night, profitable trade. So, congratulations to all who sell the gold last night with our last setup. So, let's dive into our Telegram. Last night message: market pricing in a no rate cut narrative for year 2023. So, before we took the trade, read some articles, read some news, analyze some sentiments before going to the FOMC, just around 5 to 6 hours before FOMC. So market pricing in a no rate cut narrative. So what does it mean? If there's no rate cuts for gold, it's very high. It's around 5.25%. Then inflation is still not controlled. Maybe there's a really maybe situation that in the July or the coming months, they will gradually increase if that inflation does not go down to the expected levels of the Fed. But for now, since the market sentiment is on the no rate cut, so there's no rate cut, there's no reason for gold to be trading above the 2000 level. Here, looking at the monthly time frame, if June candle closed bearish, so if we can see here, I already put some diagrams in the Telegram. If there was no rate cuts, and if the monthly candle closed bearish, then there's a high probability that it will test the 1900 and eventually break that 1900 level for the coming months. Okay, it will not happen in days, it will soon happen if there is no unexpected data that will come out that will weaken the US dollar. Okay, so as long as the 1970 level holds, we'll be seeing gold below the 1900 level. So here the quick scalp was easily taken out because of volatility. So I didn't expect that the daily looking, let's dive into here. So I didn't expect that this level, the 1956, will be broken last night before it could go down. So this is the liquidity. Okay, our first setup was the liquidity, but the second setup I sent in the Telegram here. So let's give another try. Risk is 0.30%. So we increased the risk. So why did we increase? Because I was confident on my anticipation that the rate cut narrative will dictate the movement for FOMC. Okay, so 30%, 0.30%. So I hope everybody got a very good profit in here. So the stop loss was 1961.5. So 1961.5 was around here. It wasn't really visited. Okay, it didn't draw down that much. So looking at the 30, we entered here. Then 1961.5, it's very far. Okay, so you didn't draw down that much. Then yes. So congratulations to all who took this trade, the 1961.5 stop loss, then sell. So set your TP to 1850. That's a wild TP. It's very far, but the initial risk was the 0.30%. So if your gain is above 0.30%, secure that 0.30% so that your RR will be 1:1 and leave a runner. So if you gain another 0.30 or 0.7%, so your total gain will be 1%, then secure the 1%, leave a runner until 1850. So there is no risk in holding gold. Why? Because if you hold gold, your swaps will be positive because you are selling the dollar. You are holding the dollar and selling the gold. Okay. Here you can see that the last setup it shoot up, but it didn't hit the 1961.5 because of these three levels. I was looking at the daily candles, and then I found that there's three resistance that it should break before it could go up to 1970 and eventually 2000 level again. So these levels are on the higher time frame. So higher time frame, more solid confirmation that, yeah, it's more information, more reliable that that level is. Okay, so that there was 3 levels before our stop loss, so I was confident that, yeah, it should hold. So if ever these levels break, we accept a 0.5% loss for tonight. So that's a very minimal loss, so we can sleep. So sleep well. Okay, 3 higher time frame resistance protecting our SL. It should hold, hopefully. Good luck to everyone. So I sent all the strategy, the management, the risk management here in our Telegram. So we will set and forget the setup TP 1850. Okay, so now if you woke up, then you have profits, then you should secure it. Some of the profits, first secure your risk. If you risk around $100 for that setup, or $15, for secure the $15 and leave a runner. So if you don't have a runner, set your stop gains. Then if you want to ride this trend, or if you want to secure, it's up to you. Okay, so looking at this chart, so 1942, will the 1938 break today? I don't know. As long as we already secured some of our profits, then we left a runner, and we will head the TP down to 1850. Okay, 1850, that's the TP. Okay, if this long consolidation of prices here breaks, then we may see gold testing the 1900 level again. Then eventually this gap here will be tested, and yeah, eventually 1850. Maybe I will be cutting some profits along the road if this level here, the 1900, will be reached today. Then I cut some. Then yeah, that's the plan. So looking at the monthly candle, yeah, same analysis. If this June candle closes bearish and breaks this low 1931, breaks this low, it will retest or correct this big movement last March, the bullish movement last March. So it will be corrected maybe around 1815. Then there's a support at 1820. Maybe in July or August. So let's see. So just be water. So adapt when the market sentiment changes, change your position. So I'm not saying that I will hold this till 1850 if economic data is telling me not to hold. Okay, so just see and just watch and see, and then let the trade move along. Okay, as long as we secure the profits, we remove the risk of this trade, then we're good to go. So good luck everyone. I hope you had a very profitable night. If you haven't joined our Telegram, yes, you can join. It's for free as of the moment. And yes, I always put all the risk, the stop loss, the lot size to use if you have some accounts. So yep. So good luck everyone. God bless in your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and TikTok. Then follow us on TikTok, and yeah, here in Telegram, join Telegram.